So it's a model 4. Okay, in the grammar we have already done with the module 1, 2 and 3. Today we are going to start with the module 4, that is pronouns. Okay. Now look at these sentences. Varun is my best friend. Varun share his toys with me. Okay. Now in both the sentence, student, you can observe that the Varun word, Varun, okay, Varun is the name of a boy, is repeating over here. This name of a boy is repeating again and again here. So to avoid this, what? To avoid this repetition, what we need to do? We need to use the pronouns. Now the pronouns having some types that we are going to see later. But if you don't know the what is pronoun, and if you're it's such a long vacation and you don't know, you forget or you're not able to recall, okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to see it first. So the very first word was Varun is my best friend. Varun share his toy with me. Varun come to my home. Now in these all words, Varun, this word, name of a boy, is repeating again and again. Sometimes what happen, even while writing, you also do the same thing because you don't know about the pronoun, and that's the reason my mother cooked the food, my mother washed the clothes, my mother helped me to do this. If you got the essay of over the mother, sometimes you do like this and you write whole essay my. So what you need to do, you need to learn that how to replace this word and avoid repeating again and again. Okay, so let's see how you can do this. Now in the second sentence, if you're going to observe it carefully, now Varun is my best friend. He share his tiffin with me. He come to my home to play. Okay, now in this word, the Varun word is replaced with the word he. Okay, Varun is replaced with the word he. Like see, he is a pronoun. He is a pronoun used for masculine gender. Okay, for males, what we use? He. So the Varun is a noun and he is what? Pronoun. Okay, because this word help to remove or replace the noun. So this is what? This is the pronoun. I think so now your concept of pronoun is clear. To avoid repeating noun again and again, what is used over here? The pronoun is used. Now let's next is pronoun used in a place of naming word. Now what are the naming words? Name of a person, name of a place, name of an animal, and name of a thing. Okay, any naming word, if it is thing, then also, if it is animal, then also, if it is place, then and a person, then also. To avoid repeating this naming words, what we use the pronoun. Pronoun is nothing but used in a place of naming words. Now here are some of the examples of pronoun, like it, I, they, we, he, she, you. So these all are what? These all are the pronoun. These all are some of the example of pronoun which are used to replace the naming words. Now look at this. Rani and Zara are singing. Okay, what is Rani and Zara are singing? In this sentence, the name of a two girls, Rani and Zara. Okay, Rani and Zara is mentioned. See, Rani and Zara. If I want to replace this both naming word, what I am going to write? I am going to write they are singing. They are singing. They. To replace this Rani and Zara, what I use? I use the pronoun they. Now they is a pronoun because it replaced the noun. Two names, Rani and Zara, and together with the help of this pronoun, I can write like this. They are singing. Okay, they is what? They are pronoun. See that cut mark over here? They, I replace with the they, and these all are pronoun. This is the second example. Now this Pronoun having a three types, that is subject, object and reflective. Okay, now you may be thinking that teacher, what is subject, object and reflective? One by one we will see that what is the difference between subject, object and reflective. Now subject pronouns are we, I, she, you, it. These all are the subject pronoun. But before moving towards this all, let's have a look towards again that pronoun is a word that we use in a place of noun. Suppose if I ask in filling the blanks or even in the oral examination, okay, so if I ask you in this way that what is pronoun, or tell me the definition of pronoun, or write the definition of pronoun, so you are going to say that a pronoun is a word that we use in a place of noun. Okay, what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word that we use in a place of noun. Now some of the sentences, as I already told you, Sarah and Rani are best friends. Sarah and Rani always play together. We have what we have done, we have replaced the Sarah and Rani in the second sentence like this. Let us replace this naming word Sarah and Rani with the pronoun they always play together. Sarah and Rani are best friends, they always play together. So in this way we can replace the noun and we use pronoun to make the sentence proper and attractive. Now have a look towards the subject pronoun. Okay, it's important to know that what is subject pronoun. Subject pronoun are the pronoun to do the main action in the sentence. Okay, now sentence is mostly made by three things, that is subject, verb and object. Now let's have a look towards what is subject, verb and object, and then you will be definitely able to understand that is what is mean by subject pronoun and object pronoun. This will be definitely easy for you all to understand in a better way. Let's have a look towards what is subject, object and verb. Okay, now sentence. Now sentence mostly made up of three things, that is subject, object and verb. Okay, now subject is what? Subject is subject. Now subject is what? Who or what has received the action. Who or what has received the action. Whatever action is done is received. Now second is the like the object and subject, these all are the sum of the part. Let me show much clearer than this. Yes. Have a look towards this. Example. Now sentence usually made up of three parts. Okay, whenever we write something or whenever we do something, what happened, that this all sentence and these all sentence are made up of three things. That is, a sentence is usually made up of three parts, that is subject, verb and what? Object. Okay, now subject is what? Subject is like in this sentence, Naksh gave a gift. Naksh gave a gift. In this sentence, Naksh is what? Naksh is a subject. Naksh is a subject. Now verb is what? Verb is give. Okay, verb is what? Verb is give. and the next is object is what? A gift. So these all are the three parts of any sentence. Whenever somebody do some work, okay, or the main part is the naksh. Naksh, what the naksh is doing? Giving a gift. Now give is what? Verb, action. Action, verb means what? Action. And now the object is what? Anything, whatever he did, or the action is received by something, a gift. So this is what? This is all about the subject, verb and object. Mostly the sentence are made by all the subject, or all the sentence are made by using this three thing, that is subject, verb and object. Always keep in mind. And our pronoun, subject pronoun and object pronoun is also related to this. Okay, now student, let's see further. Subject pronoun are like, see in the example, Veena ate an apple. Okay, Veena ate an apple. Now Veena is what? Doing the action. Veena is what? Veena is a girl, is doing the action. Whatever action is done, eating an apple, is done by whom? Done by the Veena. So Veena is a subject in this sentence. Okay, now let's see what is subject. Subject pronoun take the place of naming words or noun. Okay, subject pronoun always take the place of naming words or noun. See that the naming words are the things, animal, place, person. So subject pronoun always replace this. Always replace what? Always replace the naming words. See that do the main action in the sentence. Main action is done by whom? Done by the subject. Like in this sentence, Veena is a main, the action is done by whom? Eating apple is an action done by whom? Done by the Veena. So Veena is what? Veena is a subject in this sentence. In this sentence, Veena is a subject. Now let's see about the subject pronoun. Now look at this sentence. Father and I play a football. Now you may be thinking, teacher, here I is already a pronoun, and father and I is what? Father in I, that the subject pronoun is I, person doing the action. Okay, now father and I is what? Two different things. Two persons are doing, playing a football. In this picture you can see that the boy is playing with father. Father and I play football. Now play football is what is everything is done by father and I. These are the subject pronoun, and we can replace father and I with the pronoun we. Okay, pronoun we. So subject pronoun is what? We. With the help of this word we, what we can do? We can replace the father and I noun. Okay. See, these all are the example of subject pronoun. Now you can write in your notebook. Now you for singular or you for plural, it, they, he, she, I, we. So these all are the example of what? Subject pronoun. Whenever the main action is done by girl. Okay, now girl. So to replace what we can use the she. Okay. Reena is a girl. She is very cute or very beautiful. Okay, now she with the masculine is replaced by what? Replaced by he. Okay, masculine. A male gender name is replaced by he. Okay, now non-living things like the cup, like the neuter gender noun. Cup, book, box, these all are neuter gender noun. So these all are replaced by it. Okay. Now if you want to replace your own word, myself, this and this, or you. So what? I, with the help of I is used for self. Okay. Now we, if more than one people are there with you, then it will be like what? It will be as a we. So we, she, they, these all are, and I, he, it, and you is both used for singular and plural both, that we are going to see further. Okay. Now if you are writing, write it fast. Okay, now hope you all are done. Let me check. Kindly type O in the chat box if you are done with the right. Okay, now thank you so much. Now let's move to the next. Now see some of the examples of sentence, and this will definitely help you in a better way. Now subject pronoun oneself. Okay, oneself for yourself only, to rename, replace yourself, like Prachi. Okay, now it's my name. Okay, replace my name only. What I can use? I can use I. Like I am 7-year-old. Here the pronoun is I. Okay, you can see that I is used for self or self, for oneself. I am 7-year-old. Now, if the one or two person are there, like me, and with me someone else is also there. So what I am going to use? I am going to use the pronoun we. What we are going to use? We are going to use pronoun we. See, we are best friend. Look at this. So look at this sentence. Here you can see that we is used for what? We is used for oneself and other. Okay, now here in this sentence you can clearly see that we are best friend. Now me and with me someone else is also there, oneself and other. So what we use? We use the we are involved in that. If we are not involved in that, what we are going to use? We are going to use this they. Okay, they are doing this thing, they are naughty. In that I am not involved in that, I am present in that particular of thing or in action. That time what we are going to use? We are going to use the we. We all are Indian. Okay, we all love our country. That means you and me all are Indian. I am even included in that. So oneself and other, what pronoun we use? We use the word we. We use the pronoun we. Now next is what? Animal or non-living things. Okay, now animal or non-living things, it is a red car. It is a red car. So non-living things are replaced by using the subject pronoun it. Okay, now let's see some more example of she. Now she is what? She wore a yellow dress. Okay, now girl, for female gender what we use? She. For male gender is subject pronoun as he. He is singing. Okay, and in a group, if I say that, if you're there in a group, they are listening the story. They are listening the story. Look at this picture. They are listening the story. This is all about what? This is all about the subject pronoun. The very first one was I, we, it, she, he, they. So these all are what? These all are subject pronoun. For female, we use she. For male, we use he. And group of people is represented by using they. I is replace ourselves. We replace when we are involved in the action with someone else also. So we, and like we are a family. We are a happy family. So in that you also included your mother, father, brother, everyone is included over there. It is used for replacing the neuter gender nouns. Okay, now if you want to write it down here. I will wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, if you want to write the example, and then we will proceed further. Now let's see some more example of you. Now you, as in the starting I told you that you is a word used for singular and plural both. Now how, in which condition? Now see the subject pronoun you. Now singular one is, are you Nikita? Okay. See in this sentence, are you Nikita, that the boy is asking to a girl, are you Nikita? Now in the second sentence, if you say that are you Nikita and Ajay, so are you is used here also and here also, but here is a single girl is there, and here with the girl and boy both are there. So are you Nikita and Ajay? So what is happening over here? That you is a word used for singular and plural both as a subject pronoun. Keep in mind always that you is used for singular and both as a subject pronoun. Okay. So now it is clear about all thing about the subject pronoun. Subject pronoun are the word which are do the main action in the sentence. Subject pronoun are like he, she, they, we, I, and it. These are the subject pronoun. Now what are the object pronouns? Now object pronouns, you can see that who is doing the things. Now receiver of an action. Receiver of the action is called as object pronoun, whatever is receiving. Now this sentence, now look at this: thing, place, animal, person. Okay, these all are what? It may be the car is a receiver, or the school is a receiver, any animal is receiver, or a person is receiver. So these all are replaced by using the object pronoun. Now look at this example. Now Veena ate an apple. Okay, we have the same sentence in subject pronoun also, and here in the object pronoun also we are going to see the same. Now Veena ate an apple. In this sentence, Veena is what? Veena is subject because she is doing an action. What action she is doing? She is eating an apple. Okay, action, word, or a verb. Act. And then is what? Veena ate an apple. And in this, receiver is what? Apple. Apple is what? Receiver, name of a fruit. So this is called as object. Okay, apple. An apple is an object in this sentence. Ate is an action, verb in this sentence. And Veena is doing action, that means she is a subject in this sentence. Receiver is apple. Eating is received by apple. Now let's see the next sentence. Harsh played the guitar. Okay, look at this sentence. Harsh played guitar. Now Harsh, the action is done by whom? By Harsh. What action is done by whom? Harsh. What action is done by Harsh? The playing of guitar. So what is this? Played. And the guitar is what? The action. The receiver of playing is received by guitar. So guitar is an object. So you can write like this. Harsh played it. Harsh played it. Harsh is a good musician. Harsh or I gave guitar to Harsh and Harsh played it. So it is replaced. The guitar is replaced by the pronoun, object pronoun it. Now look at this object pronoun: them, you, it, him, her, okay, me, you, us. So what you need to do, you always need to see that is like the it. It was given in the subject pronoun. In mind, it was described in the subject pronoun also, but it when it is the main thing, okay, main thing in the main action, that time it is used as a subject pronoun. But if the action is received, that time it is used as a object pronoun. Now look at this example. Okay, them, us. Okay, us. In the see us, and in the object subject pronoun it was we. Okay, in the object pronoun it is us. You was there in the subject also, and if the you is used as a receiver, then it is different. Now see me, and what was there in the subject pronoun? I. But in an object what we use? Me. her. What was there in the subject? She. Now look at this. Him was replaced by what? He. So these all are the example of object pronoun. If you want to write it down fast. So today's summary is what? Today's summary is that what is pronoun, and we have seen that the pronoun are the